She has dementia, she has kidney failure, and she has weakness in her body.
It's a cough that comes back and forth.
All right, you can close your eyes now. I'm going to close mine too.
I feel okay. No, I don't have any pain right now, but usually I do have a lot of pain.
I believe your daughter said you had some challenges walking.
Yes.
Can you test it right now and just maybe take a step or two or something like that to see?
Come on back.
Is that normal? Or?
No, she usually needs her walker.
Oh, I'm so glad.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Bye, Inez.
Bye-bye.
All right, you have a good one.